Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the wipe is sterile and within date. This prevents contamination. Once done, wash your hands thoroughly. 20 seconds of soap will do, then dry them. Now sit comfortably, tilt your head back, and use one finger to pull down the lower eyelid to expose the area. Take a single wipe, unfold carefully, and start at the inner corner near the nose. Wipe outward in one smooth motion to remove debris and discharge, making sure you do not touch the eyeball directly. You proceed by using controlled, one-direction strokes to avoid moving contaminants toward the tear duct. Make sure to use gentle pressure, firm enough to lift grime, but not so hard that it irritates the lid or lashes. Clean along the lash line and into the lid folds where debris collects. If residue persists, repeat with a fresh area of the wipe. Once finished, discard the wipe, then get a new one for the other eye to prevent cross-contamination. Make sure to maintain steady breathing and a calm pace. You complete the process by disposing of the wipe safely and washing your hands again to remove any residual cleanser. Once done, check both eyes for comfort and clarity. If you notice increased redness, sharp pain, decreased vision, or persistent discharge, stop using wipes and contact a healthcare professional promptly. If there is mild irritation, apply a clean, cool compress for a few minutes and avoid rubbing. Make sure to never reuse wipes and store unopened packs in a cool, dry place to preserve sterility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.